Hey everybody, welcome back to the channel. So hey, we got somebody on the way to look at the PT Cruiser. For those of you that don't know, we got an 06 PT Cruiser. It's the Touring Edition, convertible, turbo, all that good stuff. We got it priced at $2,500. That's a little cheaper than I'd wanted to price it, but we got some weird things going on, and you all know what I'm talking about. So nobody's really buying cars right now, and we just got to do what we got to do. So $2,500. I'm gonna stick to it. I'm just going to stick to it, see what happens. They either walk or they don't. I don't know. But we're not giving it away. And I think $2,500 for a car that runs, drives, everything works, 89,000 miles, cold AC. It's a good little car. $2,500, we're already giving it away. So I'm not going any lower than that. I'm just going to stick to it and see what happens. But before they get here, man, I got to run a vacuum cleaner over this thing. We got to wash it. It's been sitting outside, rained a few times, and we got a little bit of tree pollen on it. So we're going to get all that scrubbed off right quick. Guy says he'll be here around 5:30, so I got to get moving. Got this cardboard down here just kind of keep my feet off of the floor. I don't want to get any mud on it or anything. But we'll just give it a quick little vacuum. This one don't need much at all.
You are, it seems, a man of many skills. A rare combination.
Looks pretty good, looks presentable. I think this will do just fine. Now let's get out there and wash the outside. Alright, there she is, all cleaned up and ready to go. Let's get up the driveway, see if we can't get her sold. No problem, thank you. Alright, there he is. Alright, so we sold it, and you might be asking yourself, if you sold it, why are you still driving it for? He didn't bring anybody to drive it home for him, so I told him that he could go ahead and just leave it here, come pick it up in the morning. So we're going to bring it back down the driveway, put it in the shop, and keep it overnight there since it is going to rain. It's supposed to rain tonight, and I don't want it to get all dirty since we just washed it. So that's where it's going, back into the shop to sit till tomorrow morning where he's going to come pick it up. He's going to bring a driver with him to help him drive it home, and we got $2,500 for it. And I know a lot of you are probably thinking, what on earth would you sell the thing for $2,500? You're just giving it away. We're just doing what we got to do, you know. We stuck it out there for full retail price, which was $39.95, and I didn't get a single bit of interest in it. I mean, nothing. So, I mean, what do? You know, you lower the price till phone starts ringing, you know, and I lowered it to $32.50 and still no interest. So Go big or go home, man. We dropped it down to 2,500 and instantly the phone rang and we got a guy out here who bought it. That's it. It's out of here. So on to the next one, I guess. I'm kind of feeling my way through all of this. I'm not sure exactly what's going to happen with this whole outbreak that's going on. It's kind of definitely slowed business down. Great time to buy cars. Great time to buy cars. Everything's going kind of cheap. So, you know, maybe we can manage to get a car or two in here, even if it means holding on to them until time to, you know, better time to sell when things start to pick up again. People are scared. They don't know what to expect. They're holding on to their money. And then again, there's a lot of people out there that don't have any money at all. I mean, nobody's prepared for this. A lot of us live paycheck to paycheck, and then you throw something like this in the mix and it's just too much. So not a lot of money going around out there right now, I don't believe. But we did prove that you can still sell cars even though everything going on, but obviously you're not going to get exactly what they would normally go for, I don't think. So anyway, that's where we're at on it. Car's gone, 2,500. He's going to pick it up in the morning, and we'll see if we can't get through this deal. See if we can find another car. Maybe we'll just start flipping some cheap cars, you know, some of the little $1,500 quick A to B type transportation. I mean, if that's what's selling now, then obviously that's what we'll start buying. So anyway, we'll keep our eye out, see what else is out there. But quick little update, PT Cruiser is sold. She's out of here. So what does all of this mean for the channel? Well, I mean, even if we're not flipping a car at the moment, we could still make videos about other things. I mean, we got lots of projects going around. Anybody new to the channel, this is what we do. We flip cars. I do have a dealer's license, so I'm able to flip these cars legally, no trouble. Obviously, since we're licensed, insured, bonded, all of that, you guys get to get the whole story. So we post profit loss, all that kind of stuff. We tell you exactly what we paid for the car, what we've got into the car, and what the car sells for. Even if we take a loss, we will tell you about it. We're here to show you guys the ups and downs, the good, the bad, the ugly, all of that. So if we're not flipping a car at the moment, we will still do side projects. We've got lots of projects around here. You guys have seen it. Those of you that don't know, go check out some of my other videos. I made a yard tour video. We've got all kinds of stuff sitting around here. Classics, Mopars, little trucks, mini trucks, whatever, man. Big trucks, we've got it all. So we will be working, and we're smack dab in the middle of several projects. We got the Copart Datsun mini truck build, and we've got the GMC, the 1970 half-ton pickup that we are in the middle of putting a motor in. So we'll be getting another video out for that one as well. So stay tuned for all of that. Check out my Instagram. I'll leave a link in the description. Don't forget my kids' channels. We're all sitting around here. We're bored out of our minds. They're going to be putting out some more videos here real soon. Some of you guys that have been asking about that. I'll leave links in the description for their channels and the stuff that they're working on over there. You don't want to miss it. So anyway, quick little update. Not going to chew your ear off long. I'm going to get on out of here. Thanks for tuning in, and I'll see you guys next time. I told you guys, these PT Cruisers have a following. The guy that bought this car, he loves PT Cruisers. He's had several of them in the past, and he was just blown away by this thing. When we dropped that price to $2,500, he jumped, and he couldn't get here fast enough. So anyway, these little cars got a following. They sell pretty easy, you know. So anyway,